So now du-sh command, I have to show you the output of du-sh star. Du means disk usage, -h means human readable, and it will show you what does the file consume, what space does the file consume. See over here, the anaconda ks.cfg is consuming only 4 kilobytes of your space, and this Splunk r.rpm is consuming 193 MB of your space on your system, and yum.log is consuming 0. So du-sh show you the total consumption of the file or a directory on your system. See, these are the two files, cat/etc/shadow. Shadow will give you the password information of the user. So this is the user Siddesh. This is called as his password information of the file. This is user NTP. This is the exclamatory is the password. SSHD is the password. It will give you the password information of the file. Then cat/etc/passwd will show you the number of user present on your system. So these are the number of user which is present on your system. Sudo means do as super user. It is the permission which as you will get as root permission. Sudo su will give you the same permission, that is do as super user. When you type sudo su, you will enter into the root prompt. So it's sudo yes, do as super user. Now suppose you have to find your machine IP address, you just type ifconfig-a. You will get the information of each and everything of your machine. There is one NIC adapter and there is one loopback adapter. ETH0 is my NIC adapter name and loopback adapter is L0. What is the internet address for your NIC adapter is 190.168.137.30. And then this is a broadcast address, this is the net mask address, the subnet mask. This is the hardware address for my computer, and these are the total informations for your network. Now you want to check the which service is running. Suppose I have to check the Splunk service is running on my system. So /etc init.d/Splunk. Okay, I have to check SSHD server. So etc init.d SSHD server status. So open SSHD is running. So or service SSHD status. So this will also give you the same result, that is open SSHD running. So there are two commands which to check the service is running on your system, that is etc init.d and the service name, or service name and status. If you want to start the service name start, service name stop, service name restart. So these are the command which you have to fire. Now gzip, you want to compress your file. So I'm creating one file. Now I have to compress this file, gzip file1. So this is how you will compress your file, and when you will file, you'll get an extension of the file, that is file.gz. Means your file is compressed. Now you want to again unzip your file which you have compressed. So file, so gunzip file, it will again uncompress your file. So this is how your file is came back to the normal position, that is extension. Okay, Now you want to find the difference between the two files. Now this is file 1. Now I am writing something in file 1, bi file 1. So this is the content I am writing in the file 1. I am saving the content. Now I am creating the second file, file 2, and I am writing the content in the file 2, and I am saving the content in the file 2. And now I want to find the difference. So diff file 1 and file 2. So it will give you the difference of the file 1 and file 2. So this is how we'll get the difference. Or you can also type by as diff file 1 file 2. So this is the format HDiff will understand clearly. So this is file 1 and this is file 2. So we'll find the difference in HDiff very clearly. So use HDiff command to find out the difference between your file.